Hello students, how are you all? Today our period is English. Okay? Okay, today our period is English. Our period is English. Lesson 1, Rahul and his friends. Okay, see now. See, learning points today. So today we will learn, what we will learn today that I have written here. Revise the lesson. First we will do revision of this lesson. Then we will learn give one word. Okay, then missing letters. We will learn today missing letters. At the last we will learn question answers. Okay, now see lesson number 4. I am starting. See, this is Rahul. Okay, I am reading this lesson. My name is Rahul. I am 6 years old. I love animals. Okay, see, this is Rahul. He loves animals. He is 6 years old. Have you understood this? Yes. See now next slide. Okay. Now what is this? I am reading this. This is the next page. Okay. Okay. See. This is Mimi. Mimi is a cat. She is my pet. She plays with a ball of wool. I love Mimi. See now, here can you see the picture of a cat? This is Mimi. Mimi is a cat. She is my pet. She is Rahul's pet. She plays with a ball of wool. See, can you see this wool? Ball of wool. She plays with ball of wool. And I love Mimi. So, Rahul loves Mimi. Okay? Now, next one. See now. See. This is Fluffy. First I am reading. You have to read with me. This is Fluffy. Fluffy is a dog. He is my pet. He plays with a bone. Can you see this picture of a dog? This is Fluffy. Fluffy is a dog. It is a pet of Rahul. Okay. Now see, he plays with a bone. Can you see the bone in his mouth? There is a bone. Fluffy plays with a bone. Okay. Now see this. This is Mimi and here it is Fluffy and here it is Rahul. Okay. See, I am reading the lines. Mimi does not like bones. Okay, here is Mimi. She does not like bone. Fluffy does not like balls of wool. See here, Fluffy. Fluffy does not like balls of wool. Now what they like, we will see. Mimi likes milk. Can you see this cat? Can you see this milk here? Yes, Mimi likes milk. And see here, Fluffy likes biscuit. In this there is a biscuit. Okay, this is Fluffy. He likes biscuit. Okay, can you see this? Again I am reading. Mimi does not like bones. Fluffy does not like balls of wool. Mimi likes milk. Fluffy likes biscuits. Okay, see, Mimi likes milk. Cat is drinking milk. See, Mimi is drinking milk. And here Fluffy is eating biscuit because Fluffy likes biscuits. Okay, see now. Okay, see this. Again I am reading. I stroke Mimi's coat, she purrs. I stroke Fluffy's head, he wags his tail. I love to play with Mimi and Fluffy. See here, this Rahul is stroke stroke Mimi's coat. See, his hand is there. He is stroking Mimi's coat. Means fur on an animal skin. So here fur on cat. Okay. See, he is stroking Mimi's coat. This is called Mimi's coat. Okay. She purrs. See, purrs means makes a sound to show his love with Rahul. Okay. I stroke Fluffy's head. Can you see this, Rahul? And his hand on the head of Fluffy. Okay, what Fluffy do? So he wags his tail. Means Fluffy wags his tail to show his love to Rahul. Okay. I love to play with Mimi and Fluffy. Now Rahul is telling that he likes to play with Mimi. He likes to play with Fluffy. Understood this? Again I will explain this. I stroke Mimi's coat. See this, Rahul is stroking Mimi's coat. Strokes means I told you last lecture also and this lecture also I am telling to show the love for the animals. Okay. Okay, to make the hand move on the animal skin. So she purrs. What Mimi does to show love? So Mimi purrs means she makes the sound of a animal, sound of a cat. Okay. Now I stroke Fluffy's head. I means Rahul here. Okay. Rahul strokes Fluffy's head. See, now he is stroking Fluffy's head so that Rahul is showing his love to Fluffy. Okay, Fluffy, how Fluffy do? Fluffy wags his tail. Fluffy wags his tail to show his love to Rahul. Okay, I love to play with Mimi and Fluffy. Rahul loves animals, no? So he loves to play with Mimi and Fluffy. Means he loves to play with cat and dog. Understood this? Yes. Okay, now we will see give one word. Give, G-I-V-E, give, O-N-E, one, W-O-R-D, word. Now last lecture also, in poem 2 also I have given this give one word and I have explained you. Give one word means there are many words and for that many words you have to give one word. Okay? First you have to read all these words and you have to give one word for all these words. So that is give one word. Okay. See number one. Number one is gently moves one's hand across the skin or fur. See now. See here Rahul is there. He is moving his hand across the skin of this cat. See, can you see in a previous picture also we saw this. He is moving his hand from on the skin of the cat, on the skin of the Mimi. Okay, he loves his animals, so he strokes. See, again I am reading this number one. Gently moves one's hand across the skin or fur. So all these words we have to write one word. So what is that one word? That one word is stroke. What is the spelling of stroke? S-T-R-O-K-E. Stroke. Okay, we have learned this in hard words. Again I am saying this word. S-T-R-O-K-E. Stroke. Understood this? What is stroke? Yes, I hope you all have understood this. Now see number 2. See, give one word number 2. I am reading this. These all words, we have to write only one word for these words. The fur or hair on an animal's skin. What is this? First we will read again. The fur or hair on an animal's skin, that is coat. Can you see this picture of Mimi? The fur of Mimi is called coat here in this lesson. Okay, this is coat. This is Mimi's coat. Skin, fur on, hair on animal skin, hair on Mimi's skin, that is coat. Again I am reading this number 2. Okay, the fur or hair on an animal's skin. Again, the fur or hair on an animal's skin. That answer is coat. One word is coat. Now let us see this word. Let us spell this word. C-O-A-T. Coat. Okay. Now you have learned this word. Okay. Now number 3. See number 3. A sound that a cat makes. Now I told you that what sound cat makes. Yes, you all know this. Again I am reading. A sound that a cat makes. That is purrs. What is the spelling of purr? P-U-R-R-S. Purrs. We learned in that lesson, no, that Mimi purrs. Why Mimi purrs? To show his love to Rahul. To show his love to Rahul. Okay. Again I am reading this number 3. A sound that a cat makes. So that is purrs. Okay. Now number 4. 4 is moves from side to side. That is wags. Moves from side to side. Wags. You have seen that dogs are wagging their tails. Okay. So here also Fluffy wags his tail to show his love to Rahul. So moves from side to side means wags. One word is wags. See, again we will do this. Revise this so that you will be able to learn. You will able to read it. Okay? Gently moves one's hand across the skin or fur. That is stroke. S-T-R-O-K-E. Stroke. Number 2. The fur or hair on an animal's skin. That is coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. Number 3. A sound that a cat makes. That is purr. P-U-R-R-S. Purrs. Okay. Number 4. Moves from side to side. That is wags. Again, moves from side to side. That is wags. Okay? Understood this? Give one word. Yes, I hope you all have understood this. Okay? Now see, we will learn next one. Missing letters. What is this? Missing letters. First you see the picture. See, what is this? Yes, you all know this. This picture you see. You have seen the picture? Yes, and third picture also you see this. Okay, again see this. Which picture is this? Which animal is this? Okay, now next picture. Which animal is this? Third picture. Which animal is this? Okay, now you all know all the 3 animals. Okay, see now first one. You all know which animal is. I will not tell the spelling. You have learned the spelling, okay? Names of animals. So there are blanks given. Some letters are missing in this word. Okay? Some letters are missing. So what you have to do? You have to write that letter. C, then dash, M, dash, L. See, again I am telling. C, dash, M, dash, L. So what will be the word here? What will be the word? See this picture. This is a picture of a camel. Yes, you all know this. This is a picture of a camel. So in this word, some letters are missing. So here 2 letters are missing. So you have to write. What you have to write? Okay. See here you have to write. I am writing. C, A, M, E. Camel. Okay. C, A, M, E, L. Camel. Now next one. H. Yes, see this picture you have seen here. Can you see the picture? You all know that this is a picture of a horse. So here also you have to write H. What will come? What is the spelling? H-O-R-S-E. Horse. So here you have to write the spelling of a horse. H-O-R-S, then E. Okay, H-O-R-S-E, horse. See this picture of a horse. Now see last picture. S. What is the picture here? It is a picture of a sheep. Okay, so S. Okay, now see here. Here there is a picture of a sheep. Okay, S. What we have to write? H, E, E, P, sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Again we will revise. C-A-M-E-L, camel. H-O-R-S-E, horse. C-S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Okay, now next one. See here, which picture is this? Okay, you all know this picture. This picture is of goat. So here some letters are missing. So the picture of a goat. So here you have to write spelling of goat. Okay. So what is the spelling? Spelling is G-O-A-T, goat. So G, I am writing O, A, and T. G-O-A-T, goat. See, this is a goat. G-O-A-T, goat. This is goat. Now, last picture, last missing letter. So, this is a picture of a rabbit. You all know this, no? It is a picture of a rabbit. Yes. So, here you have to write R-A. What will become? R-A-double-B. Okay, one B is written. Then again I am writing the second B. Okay, R-A-double-B-I-T, rabbit. Understood this? Okay? Yes. So, what you have to do this? Yes. See, very good. Okay, you have done. See, again we will revise this. Okay, see, missing letters. C-A-M-E-L, camel, camel. Again, C-A-M-E-L, camel. H-O-R-S-E, horse. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Okay, G-O-A-T, goat. R-A-double-B-I-T, rabbit. R-A-B-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Okay, all you have understood this? Yes, now we will see the next slide. Okay, this is answer these questions. Answer these questions. Okay, there is a picture of a cat. There is a picture of a dog. Okay, see, can you see the picture of a cat? Can you see the picture of a dog? C-A-T, cat, D-O-D, dog. Now both cat and dog. So what are they? They are the pet cats, pet animals of Rahul. So in this lesson, two questions are given. See question number 1. Question 1 is, what is cat's name? What is cat's name? See, can you see the question mark here? What is cat's name? Yes, you all know this answer. The cat name of Rahul. What is the cat name of Rahul? Cat's name is Mimi. Answer 1 is, cat's name is Mimi. Okay, so you have a question. When question starts, first letter is capital and at the end there is a question mark. Okay, and answer, first letter capital. When the answer is finished, you have to write full stop. Okay, question 1. What is cat's name? Answer is, cat's name is Mimi. Okay, cat's name is Mimi. How you have to answer? See again. Cat's name is Mimi. From here you have to start. Cat's name is Mimi. Cat's name is Mimi. Okay. Now question number 2. What is dog's name? What is dog's name in this lesson? See, Rahul has a pet as a dog. Okay. So, what is dog's name? What is dog's name? Answer 2 is, dog's name is Fluffy. Understood this? Dog's name is Fluffy. Yes. Rahul's dog's name is Fluffy. Now you have learned all these questions. What is cat's name? Answer is, cat's name is Mimi. Question 2. What is dog's name? Dog's name is Fluffy. Okay. Now again we will revise all this what we have learned today. Okay. See what we learned today. We did revision of the lesson. We learned give one word. We have learned missing letters and we did question answers also. Okay. So again we will read this lesson so that you can be able to read it. I want you all to read the lesson. Okay. You also have to read it and understand it. See again. My name is Rahul. I am 6 years old. I love animals. Okay. Now this is Mimi. Mimi is a cat. She is my pet. She plays with a ball of wool. I love Mimi. Okay. This is Fluffy. Fluffy is a dog. He is my pet. He plays with a bone. Okay. Mimi does not like bones. Fluffy does not like balls of wool. Mimi likes milk. Fluffy likes biscuits. I stroke Mimi's coat. She purrs. I stroke Fluffy's head. He wags his tail. I love to play with Mimi and Fluffy. Okay, now we have all read this lesson. Rahul and his friends, cat and dog are his friends. Okay, so we will read, give one word. I have explained you, only we are doing revision, so we will read only. Okay, number one is, gently moves one's hand across the skin or fur. It is stroke. Number two, the fur or hair on an animal's skin. Coat. Number three, a sound that a cat makes. Purrs. 4. Moves from side to side. That is wags. Okay. And now missing letters. We did this. Picture we have seen. Letters are missing in these words. Okay. So C-A-M-E-L. Camel. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. G-O-A-T. Goat. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Okay, now question answers. See, answer these questions. Question number 1. What is cat's name? What is cat's name? See, if you will read the question, then only you will be able to write answers. So, you have to read the questions and read the answer. Okay? Question 1. What is cat's name? Cat's name is Mimi. Cat's name is Mimi. What is dog's name? What is dog's name? Dog's name is Fluffy. Dog's name is Fluffy. See here. Cat's name is Mimi. This is cat. Cat's name is Mimi. Cat's name is Mimi. And dog's name is Fluffy. You all know the spelling of Mimi. M-I-M-I. Mimi. F-L-U-F-F-Y. Fluffy. Okay? Yes, you have learned these question answers. You all did this. You have to learn question answers and meaning. You have to learn FB, TF, missing letters and give one word. Okay? So, do your work properly. Okay? Do your work properly. Write whatever I give in your homework book. And you have to write what I give with good handwriting, with clear handwriting, with your own handwriting. Okay? And be safe at home. Listen to your parents and do your homework neatly and properly. Okay? So, do your revision also. What we did today, that you have to do it. Revise full portion of lesson number 3. Okay, now you know what lesson number 3 is. Lesson number 3 is Rahul and his friend. And his friends are cat and dog. Cat's name is Mimi and dog's name is Fluffy. Okay, so you know all these things. Do it well. Read the lesson number 4 properly. Okay, understood this? Yes, you understood this? Okay, so we have learned all these again. Okay, so you have to be safe at home and do your work properly and with good handwriting. Understood? You will do your homework, no? Yes, I will give you homework in the group. Okay? Yes. Okay, no, now you will do this properly. Yes or no? Yes. Write it properly and with your own handwriting.